Yep, it's the OEM Bosch that do Ford Focus. Funtime Production, I'm Sean Cass, also Funtime. I do the video, audio editing, music, and facilitating basically for original short films and music, documentaries, tutorials, and skate videos. Have a fun time and enjoy. Oops. Funtime Production. Probably should have done the bottom first. See, now that's the new one. That's the new one. This slides right out. Some of them have screws, but this one has a little nub. Slides right off. And these right here are latches. So once you unhook this, you unhook it. Don't break it. Well, you unhook it. Okay, we're good. Little nub still intact. Little nub. This is the new one that I put in. Anyway, you unhook it and you get some leverage, and these, there's a little button there on this side, and this side does not have a button. This button latches that latch, and basically you shove that in that direction slowly but surely, and it pushes this like it's like a cartridge that goes around. See, off, and you can push this ledge. But it is a dirty job. And anyway, this one's the new one going in. And once you push it in, you have it on the nubs, right? The nubs. Here's the nubs. But there's also a little wire back here, and there's like a gasket. Make sure that goes on nice. Push that on, and then this should be able to push in. This pushes in all the way. And this cap goes on. You see? Since I only have one hand, can I do it with one hand, guys? Can I do it for fun? Okay, I got it clicked, right? One-handed while holding the camera. And then I got that one started. And then, go ahead and maybe put the one on the bottom here. Start it. Now, go ahead and start the other ones too. There's 4 of them. And one more. Where? Right there. Funtime Production. Enjoy, have fun, and subscribe. Cheers. After we get the wheel well out, which is very straightforward, there's like a few screws, about, I'd say, there you are. All right, so the wheel well, I popped it off already, but you push it in up here, and it like sits on the ledge. You just basically push it in. Make sure there's a little lever, there's like a little this thing needs to go up on top, so kind of push it up and push it in. There we go. Now it's back where it wants to be. Push all that stuff on the inside. Cool. Now onto the mini screws. Let's count them, buddies. All right. So you can see there's one right here. There's one right here. There's about a foot away up here. There is another up there, up here, but to the right. And so forth. I don't think it matters quite what order you put it in, but there's another one over here. Let's see if you can see that one. There's many more, there's 4 more actually, so there's one up here. Check it out. So there's two right there. Music, documentaries, short films. It's all like a variety, so I give a variety. I don't work like an algorithm, but have fun. All right, so guys, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, forget one. 5, 6, 7, and there's none up there, but there's also 2 more. Where do these 2 go? Can you comment me in below before I show you? All right, check it out. There's also 2 under here. See those 2 right there? So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 all together for this wheel. Have a fun time.